This little question at the bottom, are funeral home representative and agent the same person? You're going to answer this yes. Basically, the only reason they have to have this on the EAP is for Texas. Texas has a section that has to have it signed a second time. So we're going to hit next. Are there any questions? I'm kind of going through this a little fast. So if you have any questions, please let me know. So next. Yep. Yes, Alan.
Yeah, so we have a funeral home here in town that I write for that they want the funeral director to sign the goods and services. So if that's the way it is, do we have to do that as paper or can we do that electronically?
Well, the goods and services you would have to do as paper, and then we can upload it. And I'm going to show you where you can upload it into here.
Okay.
I'm going to, at the end here, there's this place if the manager wants to, or the funeral director wants to review the whole application, I'm going to show you where you can get information to in the whole application. That's at the very end. All right. So everything is good. So we've done like I said, we've done our goods and services, and this is where we're going to put our payment information. It's always going to be guaranteed, and we're going to put in our funeral amount, whatever that may be. You're going to do premium, corridor, can be a single pay or a multi-pay. Let's just go to the multi-pay because we have our rates to go build into our EAP, so you don't have to go out, figure out your premiums, come back in. Let's say they're going to start out, I think I can do 3 years. Let's see what those payments are. We can pay either via authorized payment authorization. Global Atlantic would just pull it from your bank account, a credit card, or a coupon book. The credit card fees are paid by Global Atlantic, so neither the family nor the funeral home has to worry about that. I'm going to go APA. If I do credit card, it asks me to put a real credit card number in there. And no offense, but I don't want to share that or purchase this policy. So if we're going to do a 3-year pay, our monthly premium is going to be $215 and a penny. Policy owner says, I'm not sure that I really can afford that. Let's see what 5 years is. You hit 5 years, it automatically calculates that premium for you. Okay. All right, we're good with 5 years. Let's move on. Payment method, because I had checked an APA, it's not going to let me change to any of the other premiums or any other payment methods. I'm going to put in my routing number. Going to put in the banking institute in there. If it's a small regional bank or a credit union, you may have to type that that financial institution's name in there. But the larger banks, it will let you do that. Always make sure you're marking either checking or savings. So we're going to issue this policy today on March 27th. If you want the standard withdrawal date, that next payment's going to come out on April 27th. But let's say they get a Social Security check on the 5th, and that's when they want their payments to come out on the 6th. We can do that as long as we can't do 29th, 30th, or 31st because of February, but we can pick any other date of the month. If I pick the 6th, I'm going to get this little information box that tells me that we're going to pull a payment today, and then we're going to pull another payment on April 6th. We're going to come back to you as the agent and say, is this okay with the family? If it's not okay, if they're not okay with pulling two premiums that close together, we will not issue this policy until April 5th. Okay? With this little reminder, you might want to ask your family, is this okay that they're coming out that close together? Okay? So we're going to hit okay. On the other hand, if this issues on the 6th of April and they want their payments to come out on the 27th of the month, that first payment's coming out on April 6th, that second payment's coming out on May 27th. We're not going to pull two payments on that same month. Okay. All right. So then next we're going with replacement information. Does the applicant have any existing life insurance policies or contracts? Yes or no?